Let's talk about hopelessness. That's a real talk for today. My name is Glenn, and I know that you've experienced that as well, my friend. Otherwise, you're not gonna be here. So, let's talk about it. Parang walang nangyayari, walang nagbabago, ibang ganon. Ang hirap ng feeling, my friend. I've been there before. We've been there before. A lot of us have experienced that sa buhay natin. Minsan, we deny things that we're okay tayo, wala tayong problema. But in reality, na-experience natin yung ganong feeling na stuck and parang gusto na nating sumuko. But you know what, my friend? Even when you're in a room, dark room, or dark tunnel, di ba? There is always escape out of it. Meron laging door, meron laging daan na makaka-help sa atin to get out of it. Sometimes, as simple as walking, like what I'm doing right now. As simple as making coffee. It's my favorite. And alam ko, mahilig ka rin sa kape. Yung bang mga ganon, small wins, alam mo, laking bagay. Kasi, yung mga small wins, yung mind natin, kapag meron tayo na-accomplish, nire-rewardan tayo ng dopamine nun eh. Yung parang meron tayong rush na nararamdaman that all will be fine, all will be okay. So that's why it's important to really celebrate yung mga small wins rather than talking to ourselves na wala, nothing will happen, hanggang ganito na lang. But my friend, ang hirap, diba? And I know that it's a struggle for you as well. It's been a major struggle sa akin. Kasi when you're feeling like that, it's a lot of up and down, di ba? Yung parang there's a lot of confusion, there's a lot of negativity, there's a lot of things that parang ayaw mong gawin. But you have to, kaibigan, every time na gumagalaw ka moving forward to the right direction, kahit baby steps, kahit na maliit na step, basta't umuusog ka, you are advancing forward. It's a win, my friend. And I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you for doing that because like what I said, we've experienced that. Ang hirap. Yung pakiramdam mo na wala nang katapusan, na hindi na matatapos ang lahat. But my friend, let me encourage you today that we are all in this together. I know I've been saying this verse a lot because it resonates on me, lalo na it's about hopelessness. Yung Jeremiah 29:11. Napakagandang reminder that sabi doon kasi, that He will give us hope and a future, di ba? So, kung ganon ang ating magagawa, morning, lovely neighbor. So, kung ganon ang ating magagawa na makikip natin yung ganong perspective na there will be hope, we will have a future. Malaking bagay sa atin. It's gonna be a big help for us. So, I challenge you today, my friend. Celebrate those big wins. That hopelessness is a lie. Lahat tayo merong chance na mag-improve ang buhay. Lahat tayo may pag-asa. Keep on remembering. Diba sa Philippines, ang sabi, habang may buhay, may pag-asa. So, while you are still breathing, my friend, while I am still breathing, and I'm preaching to myself that there's hope for us. So, start natin today. Start natin. Alam mo kasi, hindi lang naman basta thinking of positive eh. Sabi nila, think positive, snap out of it. No, hindi ganun kadali. When you're in that season, when you're in that emotional state, ang hirap. Pero let me remind you, if you're feeling hopeless, kaibigan, it doesn't mean that it's your identity. It's just an emotional state. So, there's nothing wrong with you. It's just an emotional state, meaning it will pass, it will change, it will shift. So that's what I'm encouraging you today. I'm encouraging you na kilos tayo, galaw tayo, and i-challenge natin ang ating sarili na celebrate that small win. Okay? So, you take care, stay safe, stay blessed, and the best is yet to come. Hoping that you can subscribe, like, and share. Maraming gustong kailangan makarinig nito. So, God bless. Until next time. Okay, bye. Peace. Yeah, bulit!